Good morning, everybody! So, today's our day 2. Nagpe-prepare lang kami. Actually, we don't have an activity for today. But, I don't know, we'll figure it out later. So, I'm just gonna get ready. See you guys later. Hi guys, everybody! So, we are gonna be doing our quick room tour dito sa aming Boracay stay. So, we're staying here for 3 nights. And come on, let's go in. So, as you guys enter, meron ditong toilet and bathroom. So, sa bathroom muna tayo. So, dito, meron siyang shower. Like, may overhead shower. And then a separate shower like this one. And then, meron din siyang charan! Meron din siyang bathtub. And yung bathtub niya is pwedeng naka-open. And I think pwede din na if ayaw mo siya. Diba? Kung gusto mo privacy, meron siyang blinds. Pero kung gusto mo naman magparawarin ka na kasama mo habang naliligo ka, iangat mo. Depende yan sa inyo. Basta make sure mahal kayo ng kasama mo, okay? And then, here, there's a normal toilet. And then, they have freebies, like yung mga toiletries na kailangan namin nandyan. And it's free. And on this side, meron ding malaking mirror on this side. So, meron ditong malaking mirror para tingnan mo yung OOTD mo, yung aura mo for today. Dyan. And then, I forgot, eto, meron pala dito na safe. So, lahat ng mga valuables mo, credit card, wallet, accessories na pwede mong iwanan, meron silang safe. We will organize our gamit later. This side, merong television. And then, on this side is, meron silang parang mini workstation. So, if you're traveling and working at the same time, editing your vlog, you can do it here. And then, may light. Sobrang cozy. And then, on this side, meron namang mini sofa. And then, pwede kayo magkape-kape. Mag-usap kayo ng asawa nyo. Magbuni-muni kayo ng barkada nyo. Isipin yung mga desisyon na nagawa nyo sa buhay. Bakit ba kayo nag-Canada? Charot lang. So, eto, pwede kayo dito mag-stay for a while, magbasa ng mga libro, or mag-social media kung di pa kayo naka-freshen up bago kayo pumunta sa kama. And for the main event, dito po mangyayari ang pagtulog. Dito po mangyayari ang paghimbing. So, this is a king-size bed. Super soft. Okay lang. And then, yeah. It's very nice and comfy. Okay. So, last but not the least. On this side, we have... Wow! Yung naramdaman mo, sumakses ka. Ganon yung pakaramdam. Wow! Merong unang pinto. And then, may pangalawa. Wow! Hindi po din natatapos. Meron pa pong isa. Ang dami ng pinto nito. Paano ito buksan? Ayan. So, they have a balcony. Oh, wow. So, matapos po ang 3 pinto, makikita nyo na po ang balcony. So, sa balcony, of course, mayroong upuan. And then, they have an overlooking view. Look at this. So, this is their view. I'll show it to you guys. And then, yeah, malawak yung pool niya kasi parang paikot siya. Pero hindi pa namin na-try yung pool. So, siguro later today or tonight. So, yeah. Impression namin sa room, okay, it's worth the price. Hindi ko na maalala kung magkano. Siguro ilalagay ko na dito kung magkano yung stay namin for 3 nights. And, yeah, that's it. Super, ang habol lang naman namin dito, syempre, yung comfort, yung experience, syempre, like, super bait. And then, the stay comes with a complimentary buffet breakfast. So, it's really, really good. And super recommended. So, yeah. So, we are off to our breakfast. So, we are seated outside. And look at that beautiful view by the poolside. I got champurrado, egg, waffle, and sausage, and then he got tapa. So this is our first breakfast. Let's go! Bon appetit! I'm having champorado first. Buffet siya, and I don't think may time limit siya, diba? Daddy, wala naman siguro. 10 a.m. I mean, yung stay mo. So, okay din na wala kaming activity. At least hindi kami nagmamadali, diba? Champorado. Woo! Sarap. Sarap siya. And then, nilagyan ko siya ng condensed milk. Masarap siya. Round 2. We are getting some sunscreen, triple action toothpaste, and then kailangan namin ng wipe para hindi kami mahaggard. So we are here in Watson's right now, and we are looking for some essentials na hindi namin dala. So we decided to went out, and this is the first time we are seeing the beach. So we'll see if meron pa siyang lumot. Ay, oo nga, may lumot pa. So puntahan natin yung lumot. Oh, sarap sa feeling. Oh my God. Nandun pa yung walang lumot. So, kailangan pumunta all the way there. Pero I think hindi naman siya ganun kalalim kasi yung mga tao nandun eh. So, we are now here in Station 1. And mas makapal yung lumot dito. Like, super kapal. Doon banda Station 2, hindi gaano. So, hindi pa kami naglakad papunta sa Station 3. Pero mostly, yung mga activity nandito lang siya sa may tapat ng Astoria, Boracay. So, ngayon, maglalakad lang kami. And we try to go to the grotto. Doon siya. So, yeah. Sobrang mas okay yung ganito kasi hindi kami nagmamadali. Sobrang relax, sobrang chill, sobrang spontaneous. Like, parang hindi mo kailangan i-pressure yung sarili mo na I have to try this, I have to try this, I have to do this all in one day. Your tita body is aging, you know? So, we have to rest. Sabi kuya, gusto niyo po ng ATV? Hindi po kuya, kakapagod. So, maraming mga nag-aalok ng mga activities. Maraming mga lalapit sa inyo. But we suggest that you book in advance. If you can access like Klook, kasi yung ibang, like yung island hopping namin, sa Klook na namin siya, so hassle-free. Hindi ko kasi alam kung magkano kapag inalok nila. I don't know if it's more expensive or mas mura. Pero nag-book kami online. And yeah, lahat ng activities, meron naman na din sila sa Klook. And sometimes there are like promo codes that you can use. Just search and follow any TikTok university account, you know. You can learn anything in TikTok. And we are going to the grotto. Dito medyo konti yung lumot kasi sinasala nila tapos nilalagay nila dun sa shore. This is the grotto. And yeah. And meron siyang 360 view ng beach. Ow! So, kakatapos lang namin kumain sa Two Seasons. This is my honest review sa in-order namin. In terms of price, medyo pricey siya. I think ang pinakasulit is yung 4-cheese pizza. Pero you have to drink something para hindi ka super maumay. Pero if you really love cheese, it's super recommended. Pero kung 2 to 3 person or even 4, like tag-dalawang slice kayo, okay na yun. Pero kasi kami, dalawa lang kami. And like tag-4 slice, hindi namin naubos. Like mauumay ka talaga. And then yung oyster sisig, totoo naman siya na crispy siya on the outside and then on the inside malambot siya. Pero as in, lahat siya talaga oyster. Habang tumatagal, alam mo yung parang feeling ko na high blood na ako. Ganon yung pakiramdam niya. Like parang mauumay ka, like inaantok ka. May ganon siyang effect. Hindi mo alam kung nabetchin ka or what. Pero parang ano siya, siguro kung pulutan pa isa-isa, okay lang. Siguro kung sharing kayo, like pang-4 na tao, mas okay. Pero kung dalawa lang, I don't recommend. Kasi super, ano siya, mauumay ka talaga. Kahit pa sabihin mo na mahilig ka sa seafood, parang may umay, ano siya, no? May umay factor. Sa una, okay siya. Pero habang tumatagal, yun, habang tumatagal, sabi ni Dari, okay siya, pulutan. So kung nag-iinom kayo, as a group, mas okay siya. And then yung Caesar salad nila, doon lang ako nakakita ng salad na ang lalaki ng lettuce nila. Parang romaine na lettuce ba yun? Or I don't know kung anong lettuce siya. Kasi normally, di ba get yung mga salad? So yung parang, ang lalaki, ganun kalalaki oh. So ikaw pa yung mag-i-slice. Pero masarap naman. But for the price, it's kind of pricey. We're on our way. Look, we're just walking. Kasi medyo mahal. From Station 2 going to Two Seasons, hindi siya ganun kalayo. Like, parang kaya mo siyang lakarin. But the e-trike charge us like 150 pesos. So, kung gusto nyo makatipid, pwede naman kayo maglakad. Kung tamad kayo maglakad, mag-e-trike kayo. Ganun lang kasimple. And medyo malilim naman kasi nandito kami sa kabilang side. Kasi yung kabilang side is the beach, which is super init. Kaya nandito kami sa malilim na part. So we ordered the signature mango ice flakes in Boracay. It has condensed milk and regular cut mango and then the ice flakes here. So let's do a taste test. Refreshing nga siya. So this is without the condensed milk. It's good. I think you can put condensed milk. Let's try it with the condensed milk. Nangingilo yung ngipin ko. We bought Meryl's isaw-isaw. So we got chicken intestine, pork intestine, tenga, and barbecue. So let's try it. Isaw by the beach. Asim. Sarap. 15 pesos yung isang stick. Look at our background. Hi guys, so we are trying the Coco Mama. So it's a mix of pandan and coconut ice cream. And I think there's a sticky rice, guinea pig, and mango on the side. So just ordered one. This is 320 pesos. Let's go. The moment of truth. And then meron siyang grated na buko. Masim-masim mango. Pero masarap. Tingnan natin siya with mango and sticky rice. Or black sticky rice. Masarap yung sticky rice. Parang siyang suman. I wish mas marami yung sticky rice. Look at that beauty. In terms of ice cream, mas gusto ko yung kulay white kaysa dun sa pandan. Simot, sarap. Sarap. Gusto ko sa irin to. Sayang mo. Kaso hindi ka sa... Outfit check.
Dami.
Nakailang palit na ako ng outfit. Mga 3 or 4. Ganun pa din. Di ba? Very demure. So we are going to the pool area for the first time. We'll see kung malamig ba ang tubig. Trying the pool bar. Ooh, yung abs mo lumalabas. Stong in. Yeah, so we just finished swimming. Medyo warm naman yung water. Hindi siya super lamig talaga. Okay naman. Mas malamig siya pag nasa water. Pag umakyat ka, dun ka lalamigan kasi nga medyo mahangin. And yeah, that's it for today. And it's a pretty chill day today. Wala kaming masyadong activity except for the Parao. And yeah, nag-chill lang talaga kami. And tomorrow, we have another day, another full day to explore the islands. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Good night. Bye-bye.